Hello sports fans, welcome back to another video. Today we're back riding and I'm so stoked. It's my first ride on my brand new bike. Look how sick this thing. Gonna have a look at the bike build, that'll be up by now. And yeah, you can see everything from the bike in there. But yeah, we're up the local today. A few boys, we're gonna do a bit of sessioning, bit of digging, bit of riding, and hopefully see how sick this thing is. So sports fans, we're here. We've got a bit sidetracked. Before I can even start to ride the bike, Jimmy and Flynn have potentially thought about doing this. I mean, I done it a few years ago and it's actually quite gnarly. So you got to go pedal loads and then pull up and hopefully make it to the other side. You can see like all the case marks here, so fingers crossed the boys get it. To be fair, I'm more stoked to watch this and ride my bike. Oh!
I pedalled out that corner. Right.
What do you think?
I reckon that's on, to be fair. Scott, no, I reckon I'll less than 2 runs I'll have it. Oh,
The man. Here we go, the brother Jimmy.
That's so on.
Do you think he's got it?
I reckon he's got it. Fast enough, Uncle Mason?
I don't want to be like the guy that kills you, but
No.
you both looked on. Why? This has gone from me riding my first brand new bike and now you guys doing some road gap. Oh, the funny.
It's not that big though, is it? Like...
It's massive. It's more gnarly than Rampage. What do you think, Flynn?
Give it. See what it's saying again.
Another run in.
Maybe I might do it.
So what? We should set up for you to do it.
I reckon.
All right. Good lad.
I was actually going to do it as well.
I know.
Oh.
You actually got away so lucky then.
Yeah, that could have gone worse.
Yeah, Flynn. You're done, mate. You're done. Yeah, Jimmy. It's all yours. And do you know what this means if you do it?
Blow job.
Tell me.
You'll be better riding than your brother. You're younger and you'll be better at riding.
And he's eating ass.
And yeah, and go.
Ass.
Yo! What a guy! Yeah, Jimmy!
Mate, the little grunt as you pulled up. Love it. Enduro's not the bike for this.
No, it's not.
Maybe try it on the street.
No, I don't know.
How'd you feel? Your brother just smoked you.
No, I'll go up and
I
do
was
it. It's
fuming.
fine.
I
I'll
was
do it.
fuming.
I'm not fuming. I'm happy for him.
Oh, you're happy for him?
Yeah.
He's gonna do it.
Yeah, Flynn. What are you, mate? What are you doing?
I knew I'd do it.
Well done, mate. I like that. Good go. Well, right, and as well with one glove on.
General
Yeah,
G-spec.
cool. Definitely gonna get into the riding now. Oh, I just love this bike. It's so sick. Boys have done the gap, stoked for them, and now let's get a little session on down the ruts. Here we go, sports fans. First run on the new bike, and technically first run for me, I guess, in 6 months. As you can see, we're still braced up, but stoked. There's a freshie. And we are going to get into it. Oh. Oh. Yes, boys. Oh, I love biking. Oh, this is so sick. Yo. Oh, we got sketchy. Oh, I need more speed for that. Oh, literally the best ruts ever. Look at it. So we go, sports fans. Finished first few runs on this bike, and honestly, so good. Pedals like a dream as well. Just feels good to be on a proper bike that can do everything. So yeah. Oh, I'll get banned for that. What gap are you doing then?
Put the GoPro
Step
away.
down gap.
Oh, you're doing another gap?
Flynn said he's going to T-bog it as well.
No, you're going to double back it as well. Come on,
Can I go?
you doing the gap as well?
Yeah, I've done it already.
What? Hang on, let me record this. Go on then, Finn. Oh, Flynn. Oh. We'll let the real guy show you how it's done.
Mason, have you done it?
Nah.
That's one for the vlog.
Yeah, Finn. Ah! Yeah, Flynn. Yo.
Oh, and it's got the steam.
I don't know, you'll drop me. Are you doing that gap? I ain't doing that. Oh, the seat. Oh! He's actually dropped me. Finn has got the lines.
I don't know, apparently.
Apparently, I'm following Jimmy.
It is.
Yeah, Jimmy. What? He's dropped me. Jimmy's gone. Jimmy! You are the man! Finn, local legend. Oh, if I can see where I'm going. Oh! He's missed it. Ah! Ow! Yeah, boy.
That set was big.
Big, isn't it? Right, we're into a bit more riding. Me and Finn are doing a little adventure, and today or this evening, we're going to drop straight in to one of the local classics.
Indeed, mate.
Let's do it. Binge bombing. Oh, it's overgrown. Yo! Oh, that's a bit oh my god! Ben! I can't see. That's a hot lap, isn't it?
That's good. I like that one.
That's so quick. Best track ever. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ben! Mate!
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, you had actually owned the Strava time for that track.
See the inside line at the top?
I got the gap as well.
Oh, I love that track.
Right, sports fans, the sun's setting here. We're going to do a few more runs. Oh, actually is the dream. Love this bike. So yes, pop into another one or two and we'll head on home. Yo. One's ridden it.
There's that, and then there's one, the normal one going down to the right. There's a cut off. I'll show you that. Do you want to go first on this one?
You go. I like following. You drop me anyway. Yeah, Finn. Ah! Yow! That's one of the best runs I've had in ages.
Ready.
Yeah. Going in blind. Follow me, he said. Oh. Ow! Yow! Mate, this is fucking sick. That was my first ride on my sick Santa Cruz Mega Tower. Like and subscribe. Hopefully I'm not out of breath as much last time. I'll see you guys soon. Yo.